Hello everyone, this is XTLASER. Today we are talking about UV laser marking machine. First, let's introduce the machine main parts. Its main parts include UV laser source, guiding head and marking lens, and water chiller, control board, software, etc. First, let's talk about this laser source. Laser source voltage, there is 3 watt, 5 watt, 10 watt, and 12 watt. And 5 watt and 10 watt is mostly used. For the 3 watt, laser light is very weak, so it's very few in market now. And 12 watt is the highest wattage in market. Marking lens main height 70 by 70 mm, 100 by 100 mm, 200 by 200 mm, and 300 by 300 mm. Still, water cooling is a better way for UV laser source cooling. For sure, there is also air cooling optional for some laser source brand. Next, we'd like to share more about the UV laser marking machine applications. UV laser wavelength is 355 nanometer. It is cold processing technology and it has a very high marking accuracy. So it's widely used in many applications, such as high-value-added industries, such as 3C industry, plastic marking for food and drug package, and glasses marking, ceramic marking, and integrated circuit marking like PVC or film cutting, etc. With the development of UV laser technology, there are more and more applications. Also, its price will be lower and lower. It will replace many traditional marking equipment like inkjet printing machine for food and drug. Its market share will grow bigger and bigger. XTLASER is one of the biggest and most professional laser marking machine manufacturer in China. We will invest more human and financial resources in UV laser research. Also, XTLASER will offer the best price and technical support for all customers. In 2021 year, UV laser will walk into your factory. Thanks for your time and have a good day.